Good morning. Can you say hi? Are you hiding? I found you. What's on your pajamas? Here, what's on your jammies? Oh, you're so sad. Okay, I can't find you. Here's Paige. She's reading books. Good morning, Princess. You seem much better today. Mommy's so worried about you last night. Can you say hi? Say hi. You're watching Minnie Mouse? Hi, Princess. Your head's healing nicely. You want to read a book? You like books?
Thank you.
Okay, I'll help you.